Hi. Okay, here's your quick, easy, neutral eye look that we did on you the other day when you were here. So we're gonna start. Oh, I forgot my eye primer. We're gonna put eye primer on first, which you should get a sample of this with your order. So put a little tiny bit of this on my lids. All right. So we are going to start with the color Astute. I can get it. I had to make sure I was using the right one. So this color, this is going to be your transition color. So I'm going to just take an angled brush and I'm going to get a little bit of that color on there. And I am just going to apply that right above and into the crease. Okay, so we're just going to blend that in. So that's going to be our transition color. Then we're going to use this color called Nimble. This is the one that was on back order. So we're going to use a crease brush for this color and get that on there. And we're going to apply that in the outer V and then kind of pull that over into the crease a little bit. So this is just going to give us a little bit more dimension in that outer corner. So I'm just putting that in the outer V and then pulling it over. Then I'm just going to take a regular brush, this is our deluxe brush, and I'm going to use the color Timid, which is that nice light peachy color. I'm going to get some product on there, and I'm just going to tap that on to my lid. So you could leave it like this if you wanted a matte look. So I'm just going to apply that on the lid here. And then I'm going to use the color Gentle, not Gifted. Gentle is this gorgeous shimmer. And I'm going to use that same brush, and I'm just going to tap that on right over where I applied that Timid. So by using the colors together, you're just getting a little bit more color there. And for this one, I like to really get over into the crease as well. Or not into the crease, into the corner of the eye, right in that corner too. Alright, so then we use a little bit of proper eyeliner, which is brown. And just right on your lash line. So just a little bit there. I'm just going to go a little bit there, the outer corner of my eye. I like to do that on my eyeliner. Talk to me. And then I like to just use this concealer brush. And then we're just going to finish it off with Epic, which you did get. So we're just going to go with mascara. Here's your simple look mascara. Watch me put my mascara on. But here is your easy, natural looking eye. So let me know if you have any questions. Love you. Bye.